Hey guys, Jared here with Heat Press Nation.
I'm Joe with Siser North America.
And this is Questions for Joe.
Me.
So Arthur's asking, my vinyl sometimes doesn't stick and I have to repress it.
That's a great question, Arthur. We hear it all the time. And what that is usually due to is uneven pressure. So using a heat press is going to help you achieve even pressure throughout your entire garment. But in case such as this garment here with the buttons and the pocket right there, that is going to cause uneven pressure. So there are great tools like a heat press pillow. Stefan, can you pillow me, brah? There we go. So this is an example of a heat press pillow. This will help you achieve that even pressure, even if you're using a heat press or home iron, whatever it is, when you're working with Siser heat transfer vinyl.
Nice, good answer, thank you. Okay, so Kevin's asking, how many layers high can I stack my Easyweed?
That's a great question, Kevin, because you can layer on top of Easyweed, so that's okay. I wouldn't suggest going any more than 4 colors stacked directly on top of one another on your garment. Anything past that, it's going to feel heavy and it might not wash as well. So you want to be careful with that. I would stick with 4. Although I have seen a garment decorated with over 15 colors of Easyweed, They just weren't stacked on top of one another. They were kind of separated and spaced out.
So like side by side.
Exactly.
Okay, very cool, very cool.
4 would be the magic number in my opinion.
Okay, so this next question comes from James. He says, I've seen some people customize nylon jackets. I thought HTV only stuck to cotton and polyester and things like that.
Nylon. James, always with the tricky questions, but that was a good one. Nylon is possible. I'm kind of unprepared for this one, but I would recommend Easyweed Extra if you were working with nylon, especially a coated nylon. So if you're working with a jacket that's nylon, or an umbrella, or a tent, or a jacket like this, that's
totally unprepared.
I'm telling you, James, you're lucky on this one. But Easyweed Extra is the product I would recommend for a nylon.
Very cool, very cool. All right, Joe, this next question comes from Francesca. She wants to know, why doesn't Siser make decal vinyl for cars and other similar applications?
Well, wait, Jared, you haven't seen your car yet?
No, what happened? What'd you do? What happened to my car?
Francesca, you're in luck. Siser now makes a decal vinyl called Easy PSV with an entire line of it. So, Jared,
what do you mean my car?
Just check it out later. So yes, we do now.
But why would I have to look at my car?
Just check it out.
Why would I have to go? I'm going.
Hey.
What'd you do to me? What'd you do to it? What does he mean look at my car? What is he? Oh man, what the heck is this? Dude, Joe. All right, so this next question comes from Karen. She says, I've seen tons of tutorials on YouTube. Not everyone pre-presses their shirts. Is it totally necessary to pre-press?
It's a great question, Karen. And when you are working with cotton, we do recommend pre-pressing because cotton does tend to hold in moisture. So pre-pressing it for 2 to 3 seconds will release that moisture and it'll help adhere the heat transfer vinyl to the garment a little bit better, as well as take out any kind of wrinkles that that garment might have. If you're working with only polyester or nylons, those kind of fabrics, you don't really need to pre-press that.
Very cool. So cotton pre-press, anything else, not necessary. All right, Joe. So Raphael is asking, is it possible to layer glitter vinyl?
That is a good question. If you're talking about layering glitter on glitter, we do not recommend that.
So this is basically what you're saying, a Venn diagram of what not to do.
Exactly. So as you can see right here, this was obviously washed, right?
Yeah,
okay.
We washed
So
it a couple times.
After it got washed, right here, you can see that it is lifting from the bottom layer of the glitter. So you can, eventually it's going to end up tearing off. So that is why we do not recommend layering glitter on top of glitter.
You heard it here on Questions with Joe, folks. Don't put your glitter on top of glitter. All right, so Johan is asking, is it safe to use Siser vinyl on baby/kids clothes?
Great question, Johan. I'm going to let this t-shirt speak for that one.
Good answer.
Works for me.
All right, so Jackie has a question. It's a pretty popular question, actually. She wants to know, swing away or clamshell?
That's a question I hear all the time, and Jackie, I got to tell you, either one is great. They both have their benefits. The clamshell is a little bit more compact. You don't need to worry about too much space like the swing away where you have to compensate for the swing of the upper platen, but you get to work on this lower platen without working underneath the heating element. So it's your pick.
Very good. Very nice. All right, well, this has been Questions with Joe. Joe, thank you so much for joining us today. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having us on. I appreciate all the questions you had. I hope we answered them the way you wanted. And if you can do us a huge favor, please like and share this post. And while you're at it, please like all of Heat Press Nation's social media, including Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
And likewise, make sure you go and give a follow to Siser North America. They're on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Like and subscribe, guys. We'll see you.
Thank you.